how you doing? Welcome to Hal and Hammer DIY Adventures with Paws. My name is Antonio Diarmiento, and we are starting a new adventure today. I got my crew with me, my ground crew, because today we're going to be working up on a ladder. Today's project is going to be installing a security camera with light combination on it, floodlight combination, and it all can be worked off of your application on your smartphone. We're going to give you the step-by-step procedures on how to do everything. My crew right here is going to also give you some step-by-step procedures at their convenience, right? In between playtime. But we're going to jump up on the ladder in a few minutes, and we have an existing light right now that's on the house. We're going to take that off, and we are going to install this. One thing you want to do before starting the project is you want to shut the power down. So that's your first thing you want to do. Shut the circuit breaker off in the panel box. You can also shut off the switch, which activates that light fixture, but I always suggest shutting off the power completely, so this way you are safe. You can buy yourself a $10 light tester to check the wires when you get the light off. You can just tap the black wire, your power wire, just to make sure that you are getting no power to that fixture, and then you guys are ready to disassemble that and start the install on the new light fixture here. So hang tight. We're going to be right back. We're going to show you the tools that you need, and my crew's got to get geared up and ready to go. So things we're going to need for this particular adventure: screwdriver, a knife, a pair of pliers to clean up any wires. There's our mounting bracket. We have some wire nuts there and mounting screws, and our Amcrest smart home camera system floodlight combo. Alrighty, so that's basically what we're going to be needing today. So gang, first thing you want to do when doing an electrical project is you want to find a circuit breaker and shut off the power to this particular box. Okay, generally they're marked in the circuit panel. You can also shut off the switch, which activates this light also, but it's always best to shut off the power to the circuit, because this way you're safe. You don't have somebody walking through the room and turning the switch on while you got your hands in the box. So that's first and foremost, and we're going to get going on this install. So gang, follow the instructions. You just want to hook up the wiring as it shows in the directions, a white neutral to white, and your black is your power to your black, and just tie those green grounding wires together, and then you have a center mounting screw right here, which mounts right to your plate. Real simple installation. Okay, it's just a matter of adjusting these lights now where we need it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to set our phone to the camera system here on the Wi-Fi. Guys, we are ready to start the installation of the camera serial number. You follow the directions on the package. There is a QR code right there. We are going to scan that. Let's see if okay, scan success. And basically you just want to follow all the props on the app on the phone. Okay, very simple installation. Okay. Hey guys, Antonio here, Hal and Hammer. We have just successfully linked the new light system we just installed with the camera and the floodlight system. This features a lot of cool stuff, this Amcrest system. You can just turn the light on right here if you're laying in bed. You also have the feature of a siren. Let me show you here. So a lot of cool features on this particular unit. Just follow the directions on everything. Let me turn around here. Just follow your directions on the paperwork that you get with the Amcrest. Amcrest is an awesome system. I've never had any issues with them over the years. They have a great warranty. They have great customer service, and that's pretty much it. I just got to show my client how to use it and use the application on your phone. Real simple installation. But thanks for joining us on this adventure. Unfortunately, we couldn't use Taco and Fabio too often, you know, being they can't climb ladders. But they did have some fun out in the yard. All right, gang. The job is complete. The light's working. The siren's working on the light. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Very cool installation. As you can see it up there on over my shoulder. The lights come on by themselves, motion censored, and the camera, you have full access with your smart app on your phone. So very cool installation. So you can keep an eye on those paws out here running around. All right, listen, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Hal and Hammer, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on our channel. Thank you.